Have you ever seen a Mercedes-Benz GLE350 with nearly $35,000 in options? Well, you're about to. Let me show you the nicest GLE350 that we have ever configured, that has ever arrived, and possibly the nicest one ever to hit American soil. This is a truly special car. And no, it is not one of these magnificent Côte d'Azur light blue metallic GLEs, which have a $6,500 paint job. No, we accomplished this feat on something even a little bit more normal at the outset. It is this moonlight white metallic GLE350. So how does this car have an MSRP of nearly $100,000? Well, it's accomplished by having just about every box checked, including an extremely special interior. So let's take a look around this car. What makes it so special? In fact, let's go to the other side of it so that we get a little bit more room, because as you can see, these were all just dropped off and my lot team has them packed in here like sardines, like the professional parkers they are. So this GLE350 with an MSRP of just shy of $100,000. Now, moonlight white metallic, this is one of our upgraded paints. This is a pearlescent white. A little hard to see that today as we got some rain that came through a little bit ago. Quickly notice that this car has the AMG line. Now the AMG line is going to give you some revised body styling, including stars in the grille. You're gonna have body colored fender flares and side moldings all throughout. I think that this upgrades the exterior of the GLE so well. It makes the car absolutely stunning. This has also got the running boards, which is $650 option. The 21-inch upgraded wheels with the night package. That is an $1,100 wheel upgrade. And you will see that it does have the night package, which is going to give you the black mirror caps there, the black trim around the windows instead of the gloss chrome trim. You're also going to have black roof rails. So these will be black versus a car that does not have a night package, like this GLC, for example, where you would have the shiny chrome roof rails. You might be asking, how can this possibly be nearly $100,000? Well, the magic really happens once we get inside of the car. And this has the special manufacturer yacht blue interior. This is a new option as of last year for the GLE class, and this is just truly stunning. This is the highest level of Napa leather available. It doesn't have diamond stitching, which actually some people seem to prefer. I love the diamond stitching, but I do understand that some people think that it might be a little bit overdone. And this is just gonna have leather all throughout. The top of your dash, this gorgeous two-tone steering wheel with the yacht blue and our black stitched leather wheel here. And this has the black piano flowing lines lacquer trim, and you can see our manufacturer badge there. This is just a work of art completely. We have a panoramic sunroof, of course, which is closed right now, but it goes the entire length of the car, just about well past the second row. We have our pillows. Let's not forget the pillows. I am a big fan of these pillows. I don't know why, but it just makes driving so much more relaxing. In the back here, you can see we've got lots of legroom. One of the things that I love about the GLE, and we have heated rear seats back here, of course, because why not, right? So we've got to make sure that we're checking all the boxes. So what else do we have? Well, we have soft closed doors. Let's demonstrate that. There you go. You can see that it doesn't take much effort to close the door, and it will do the work for you the rest of the way. It also has the Pinnacle trim package, which means that we are going to have on the inside of the car things like a head-up display. If you want to ever know if the car has a head-up display, you're looking for this indentation behind the steering wheel on the dash. That's how you would know. Of course, we also have driver assistance package. We're going to have multi-contour seats with massage in this car. Let's take you over to the window stickers so that we can see exactly what we have. So how does it all add up? Well, we have a suggested retail price starting of $64,750. Fun fact, this is only a $300 increase over the 2025 model, so bravo Mercedes-Benz. I would consider that to be basically no increase at all. So our manufacturer Moonlight White Metallic, that's a $1750 paint option, and our black piano flowing lines, that's $850. Now you see that there's no cost here for the manufacturer Yacht Blue. We have to come down here to the signature interior package for $12,250. That's where we see the price for that. So what else do we have? Well, we have a load sill protector on the back. That's a small accessory upgrade. That's going to give you this chrome protector piece here, which will prevent scratching on your rear bumper. We also have a set of all-season front and rear floor mats from the factory, $185, fantastic price there. First aid kit for $35. You never know when the first aid kit will come in handy. Our winter package, which is a heated steering wheel and a heated washer system for $450. All-season tires as part of that 21-inch AMG 5-spoke wheel package there. We have a dash cam. That's a really great feature that is now available on most of our models from the factory. You activate it and it can record if your car were ever to be hit, which is very handy if somebody bumps you in a parking lot or in a hit and run situation. Rear side airbags, that comes sort of in tandem with the signature interior package, so that's going to give you side airbags here in the side of the second row. So you would have airbags in here as well as the curtain airbags, of course, which are standard. We've got our power rear side window sunshades. This is a small touch, but a very popular one. So that is going to give you the sunshades in the second row. You can see they are up right now, and they are power, so that you don't have to lift them up yourself and hold them there. A really great feature, especially for families with small kids. Our panorama roof, of course. We've got our black fabric headliner, a trailer hitch, 4-zone climate. What's 4-zone climate? Well, that just means that your rear seat passengers, are going to have the ability to control the climate on their own. In the absence of that package, then all of the climate control is handled up front by the driver and passenger. The illuminated brushed running boards, illuminated brushed aluminum running boards. That's a fun thing to say. Illuminated brushed aluminum running boards. Our heated rear seats, our soft closed doors, our driver assistance package, of course, that's going to be all of our latest and greatest safety features, including radar-based cruise control, the night package, a very reasonable $400 ad, that signature interior that we discussed before, and the AMG line exterior package, and then finally our Pinnacle trim, which is not broken out here on the window sticker, but that is going to include the heads-up display, the massaging seats, the Burmester upgraded sound system, ventilated seats, among other things. So our front seats are heated and ventilated. The rear seats are only heated. But what do you think? Is this the most luxurious and phenomenal GLE350 ever to be built? I think that this is maybe the classiest way that you could do this. I mean, you could go even bigger and do the Côte d'Azur light blue metallic exterior with the yacht blue interior. That would really be wow. I mean, it would be super luxurious, and that would push this price into the $104,000 range. But for just shy of 100 grand at $99,245, this is definitely a car that I envision this car as a long-term family treasure. Somebody buys this car, they drive it for many, many years. This would qualify as a car so well equipped, so fantastic that you would want to keep it around, maybe pass it down to the kids at some point. Let me know what you think. Is this too much? Would you consider checking every box like this? Or do you feel like at this point you'd rather have the bigger engine and less features for the same money? Let me know in the comments below. My name is Doug with Benzs and Bowties. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more content like this.